We just unwrapped these on Christmas Day and I thought it worth a little video. 350 lumen 5-watt dimmable LED G50 bulb, small Edison screw, E14 thread. Okay, sjplighting.com. I bought 5 of these. I'll unbox one and see how we go on. One-handed. Excuse me, there we go, this is what it looks like. Get some focus. What's that? That says SGP lighting. Dimmable 5-watt. E14 3000K. Warm white. AC 85 to 250 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, CE marked. Is that a solder freebie? I think that's a solder freebie. Yeah. Here's our dimmable light fitting. You can see, bulb already gone. You have to forgive the house, it's 8 o'clock on Christmas Day. This is what you get. Probably shouldn't do this whilst we're switched on, but if I don't, you won't see. This one's the one that's dead. That's smashed on the ground. Just kidding. Ta-da! Well, first impressions are the back of the light fixture's not lit. That's not a problem. I want the light coming down anyway. A tiny bit whiter than the others. Yes, it is. It's whiter than the others, but we'll see now what happens when we turn the dimmer knob. Yeah, still working. You can now see how much whiter it is on a low voltage. Now it's just about the only one still lit. And it's out. Gosh. Yeah. I've got a clicky knob on there and it takes 1 click to extinguish it and 3 clicks to relight it, but at the moment I'm pleased with that. At least it hasn't blown up like the other 5 did. Here are the other 4. By reference to the other ones that did blow up, I actually don't mean the same lights. It was another brand which I ordered from China. Made my own rod for my own back by ordering directly from there, perhaps. Anyway, I just unboxed these 4 and discovered that one of them has got a lens issue. I suspect that should only be held on by a dab of super glue, but nevertheless, this gives us the opportunity to take a look at the construction. It's clearly an LED array. Not a highly reflective back surface in there. Needless to say, all the light can only come out forwards and the rest is a heat sink. Can't comment on how hot they get yet. Anyway, we'll stick these on and see what the light looks like. Right, we have all 5 in. First go. There we go. And that's the house gone out. Because the other lights are off. Flick a switch, talk to you soon. Right. Lights are back on. Nothing. We've got the All this downstairs light, but nothing at all from that fixture. I wonder what's going on then. I'll try some standard bulbs back in there, see if that's the factor. Here we are, look. That's the Badger. Smouldered. Smoked. Black the inside of my lens, which I've had to strip and wash out.